Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the fonts in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to do this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the display and brightness, then scroll down and you will see the option font. Yep. So go to font and there is many fonts from the shop. You can buy a new font from here. After that, you're gonna download some fonts and get the new font on your phone. As you see, there is a very cheap font because it's only half about $1. Anyway, if there is any free fonts, I don't see now any free, but anyway, you can buy a new font and just install from here. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.